wanna say goodbye and it's embarrassing. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lalelu.
Bye.
Bye-bye. I go? Bye. Back on the road. We're leaving Varkala for good. I had a really nice stay here and I kept on extending and extending. So I booked for 1 night, then I extended for 2 nights. At the end I stayed for 4 nights. Yeah, I had a really amazing time, but now I'm ready to leave this place. If I keep on doing that all the time, I will never finish whole India in 6 months. My goodness. But okay. I am riding now to a place I already saved before coming to India. It's called Jatayu Earth Center. It's actually super famous here in Kerala because it's the biggest bird sculpture in the world. And it has a story behind it because Jatayu died exactly on this place. Okay. But it's very unique in the middle of nature and it was carved out from one single stone. So yeah, let's check it out. I have 30 kilometers to ride. That means I will ride 50 minutes. Let's go. Wow. Did I already tell you that I absolutely love this dashboard here? Probably a couple of times, but I don't know if you have seen exactly this video. But yeah, it's navigation system. I can call people, I can listen to music. It's perfect. It measures my tire pressure so I can see it all the time. And yeah, you can actually get 22% off if you want to. Just click on this link here. Okay. Almost there. Oh wow, you can already see it. Nice, super small for you guys, but it's up here. Earth Center, Adventure Center. Here we go. Nice shadow. Exit. Hello.
10 rupees.
10 rupees?
Cheaper?
Oh. Thank you. Oh, looks cute. Zoop. Here we are. Arrived. Alright, welcome to the Earth Center, Jatayu Earth Center. So, if I want to fly a drone here, I need the permission 1 week before. So I cannot just ask here and be like, oh, can I fly the drone? So they're like, no, you need a permission 1 week before. And yeah, paid the ticket, 266 for the entrance, and now I have to pay, I think 300 more for the cable car. And that's the only cable car in Kerala actually. And there are actually a lot of security checking what you have in your bag. Wrong. But yeah, I guess it's just like to keep the safe clean and that people don't just throw their waste, right? And ready to go to the cable car after taking pictures for memory. This giant bird is called Jatayu, a legendary figure from the Ramayana, one of Indians' most famous stories. According to the legend, Jatayu saw the demon king Ravana kidnapping Sita and tried to stop him. Even though he was already old, he attacked Ravana in the sky and fought to protect her. Jatayu managed to damage Ravana's chariot, but in the end, Ravana cut off one of his wings and mortally wounded him. Before taking his last breath, Jatayu was able to tell Lord Rama what had happened and where Ravana had taken Sita. That's why many people believe this is the place where Jatayu died. Because of his courage, loyalty and sacrifice, Jatayu is still honored today as a symbol of standing up for what's right. And that's also why this sculpture only has one wing. It shows Jatayu after the battle, wounded but unbroken. Right next to the sculpture, there is also a temple and what is believed to be the footprint of Lord Rama, who is said to have come here after finding the injured Jatayu. The theater wasn't open, the museum wasn't open, and the temple opens until I think 12 or not even until 10, and then it opens again at 4:45 or something like that. So almost nothing was open, but definitely cool to see. Very interesting. Alright, one more thing I have to say, it's really useful to have UPI because here, for example, it's cashless paying for the ticket and they don't accept international cards. So it's pretty useful to have UPI here in India for a tourist. Okay. And welcome back on the bike. Where is the exit? Here is the exit. We will skip Tiruvampaturam. I still cannot say it. Tiruvampaturam. Yeah, we will skip that and ride to Kovalam. I think it's called Kovalam. My goodness, I'm so bad with names. Okay, at least we are riding somewhere and it's around 2 hours and 70 kilometers and no detours, and I think we will ride on a highway. I hope not all the time, but I have the feeling we will ride on a highway. So yeah, let's go. If it will be boring for you guys, remember that I'm not recording. Bye. Oopsie. Sorry. So if it's just a highway and it's straight and there's nothing interesting to see, I'm not recording. Just for you to know. So I guess it will be a super short ride for you guys. Even though for me it's 2 hours. And that's a short ride actually as well. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's not my family in your head, they are crying with their dice and their bones and their bones and their guns. I have to stop. Sorry. Normal if I stop somewhere. I don't know how much people told me that the roads in India are pretty bad. I couldn't say that. The roads in India are pretty good, to be honest. I am surprised how good they are. I still have a long way to go, so maybe it will change at some point. But till now, my goodness, the roads are really, really good. Cannot complain at all. If you believe in the man on the moon, man on the moon. Don't kill anybody, Lucy. Thank you. This love has taken a toll on me. She said goodbye 20 times before. And her love has taken a toll on me. 'Cause I just say goodbye and it embarrassing. Tiruvananthapuram. 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 I cannot. Juicy juice. I am ready for a juicy juice. Na pa pa pa. Nakabedon, nakabedu, nakabevain in the sun. Time for juice. Shiny happy people then Lord, everybody is overtaking police. I'm an Austrian in India, looking in your eyes. Look at this road. See that? Must be so much fun. Oh, look at these paintings. Oh wow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Oh nee. Verkackt. I'm almost there. 800 meters until my hotel, Via Varma Beach Hotel. And I'm actually ready for another juice. I am really addicted to juices here. If it's super hot, you need a good juice. I tell you, we need good juice. Juice. And my hotel here is actually right next to the lighthouse. Hop, 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 hop. Right next to the lighthouse and right next to the beach, which is actually pretty amazing. So I don't need to ride somewhere because I'm already at the beach. I can walk. That's good. Cute road. Here it is. Varma. Oh yeah, it's that one. Welcome to Varma Beach Resort. Namaste. Nice. It looks really good, huh? I'm actually already happy that I chose to come here. Even though I don't even know how it looks like, but I'm already happy. and it's too hot. And I arrived at the hostel. Let me show you guys the room. It's actually amazing. Wow, I cannot believe how beautiful this view is with the waves. Wow. Okay, let's explore a little bit. Hi. Good, how are you? Thank you. Okay, usually I don't take you with me to a restaurant, but they have a lot of fresh seafood here and I really have to try it and I will take you with me. So I ordered fish. I don't know what kind of fish, but I saw it and I was like, I want that one. And a lassi, because I always drink a lassi or a buttermilk. So yeah, let's wait for the food. Sweet papaya lassi first. That's my dinner. Looks good, huh? Okay, let's eat.